Before you begin, remove the top cover, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the display panel to the display enclosure. Lift the display panel off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Note: before installing a new display panel, remove the following from the old display panel and install on the new display panel. Display panel cable. Place the display panel onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the four 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the display panel to the display enclosure. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.